I wanted to become a dentist from the time I was in high school. I've been practicing dentistry for well over 40 years. It boils down to the real joy of doing dentistry is just not providing some superior service, but the real joy is really relationships, getting to know my patients, getting to know their fathers, their mothers, their children. Because in the end, any successful business is built upon relationships. Without a relationship going forward, you don't have anything.
Dr. Wilhelm takes care of his patients the way I would want myself and my family taken care of.
Walking in the front door of Dr. David's office makes me feel like I'm walking into my own home, which truly is a comfort zone for any patient that would walk into any doctor's office.
Dr. Wilhelm believes in superior service and great professionalism, and he surrounds himself with people who exemplify that. From the moment you walk into his office, you can see that this is first class. And the people that he surrounds himself with, he holds to a very high standard.
One of the secrets to David's practice is that he has amazing integrity with his employees. And everybody you ask here about getting something done, when to do it and how to do it, they're all extremely cooperative. And they make every step that you have to go through, they make it very comfortable.
His team, the minute you hit the front desk, is very professional, very warm, and makes me feel that much more comfortable. It's not fun to get into a dental chair for anyone, I'm sure, but by the time I get to the chair, I feel very, very comfortable and very calm.
And so I have a level of confidence coming to this office. I know that a lot of people don't like to go to the dentist because they have all these horrible thoughts about pain and the procedures, but I don't have that. I actually enjoy coming here. I know that sounds weird.
And on top of everything else, after you've had this wonderful service and this pleasant experience in the chair where there's a gentleness in handling your teeth and everything's just perfect, when you walk out, they hand you a warm chocolate chip cookie. Who does that? What dentist gives you a chocolate chip cookie heated to perfection, melting sumptuous as you're walking out the door? I mean, this place is amazing.
What patients should expect on their first visit when they walk in is a warm, friendly atmosphere with really wonderful staff that will look at you and smile and say, "May I help you? What can I do for you?" And that permeates the whole staff. How can I help you? What can we do for you? That's what you should expect. If you'd like to visit us in Newport Beach at Newport Dental Arts, our office telephone number is area code 949-752-1210. We are located at 2382 Southeast Bristol Street, Suite A, Newport Beach, California, 92660. We look forward to meeting each and every one of you.